good afternoon. I'm Dr. Meghna Bause and welcome to my channel. Guess what guys? I have decided to redecorate my bedroom. And for that, I have ordered a very special bedsheet from my favorite brand, Haus and Kinder. And guess what? Today I received the package finally. Haus and Kinder is one of my favorite brands in bedsheets and linens as they are made up of 100% cotton, made in India, and you can select from a variety of range of bedsheets and linens. I am so excited to unbox my favorite bedsheet from Haus and Kinder and I cannot wait to show you my selection.
Making parenting easy and decorating easy, the perfect blend of skillful guidance, stirring features and amusing tips which can be your one station of assistance on parenting. Haus and Kinder is a design-led lifestyle brand creating stylish essentials for homes and babies. The premium bed sheets are fashionable and made up of 100% cotton. The best part about the collection is that it has all sizes of bed sheets for home and all baby products for baby.